Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder creator She Makes Club, here to do a Make It in Moments with you. I found these cute little wooden trays at Target, and I got this pack of iridescent ornaments. I picked these up at Walmart. I did leave links for things that I found that were very similar, if not the exact same, on Amazon in the description, so you can find. I always get asked, where did you get this? Where did you get that? So I try to leave as many links as I possibly can, but I wanted to put together a little Sola wood ornament tray centerpiece thing for on our school cabinet. I had some things sitting there and I was like, it needs something else. So I decided to make this. So I grabbed 3 ornaments. I love the iridescence of these. They like reflect different colors and are a lot of fun. So I thought this would be really cute. So I'm hot gluing a couple of these ornaments onto this wooden tray. And I'm even gonna grab a battery operated like votive. So I'm not gonna glue this. I'm gonna like just glue the top and I'm gonna glue an ornament to it. So it's almost got like a candlelight glow coming from behind or beside, and I can turn it on and off. So I'm going to just set this one and then I'm going to glue another one. So I thought these could either act as little like vases, like mini vases for flowers, or just be something to kind of place things around. So what I decided to grab, I pre-dyed some Sola wood wooden flowers. These are like the forever flowers in Christmas colors. And then I'm taking some wooden beads. I'm going to do like gold and red, and I'm just going to kind of sprinkle them around. These are all wooden beads, a few different sizes, but they're all, pretty small, just to have some like fun beads popping out. And then this is glittered baby's breath, and this is actually from the Sola Wood Flower website. They have all different fillers that are so beautiful different times a year. So I'm taking off, or partially taking off, the little like ornament caps where you would like hang it from the Christmas tree, and then I'm gluing in some glittered baby's breath. So it's almost like these ornaments are little vases for this baby's breath, and I just think it looks so pretty. So I'm just like carefully gluing, because last thing I want is all this baby's breath that is glittery all over the house. I mean, it's Christmas time, there's glitter everywhere, let's just face it. But I wanted to like really make sure they were glued in, and then I was gonna fill in between with some of these like wooden Sola wood flowers. So I have some like roses and like different flowers, different styles, whatever, but they're all in like a deep, rich, Christmassy red or like forest pine green color. And I don't want to go over the top with them. I just want, that color and that subtlety to kind of like come through. So I'm just going to glue like 2 or 3 flowers in. I even thought about gluing it onto the ornament itself, and I'm like, no, I don't want to do that. I'd rather it be like in and behind and around the ornaments and that kind of thing. So I want to make sure that I don't glue anything that I can't turn off the candle, because it's battery operated and to preserve the battery and whatnot. But make sure that there's stuff glued in around enough that it makes a nice little cluster in the center of this wooden tray. And you can really just have fun with it. Like, I didn't plan this out exactly. I just sort of made it kind of come together as I was playing and whatnot. And even using some of the raw, like one of the flowers that I use is a completely undyed Sola wood flower that has like the bark on it still, or is considered in the raw. And it looks really pretty with the Christmassy design. So just kind of like gluing that in the front and then gluing additional baby's breath in and around. I love using these ornaments as vases. Like, I can't get over how much I love that. So you can even just glue the little topper to like the side or rest it on the tray, and it's not a big deal. And there's that raw flower that I was just talking about a second ago. So I'm just kind of turning things. They're not exactly straight on, and I really love that. You create some of that like tilt and angle. It just looks a little bit more like natural fall in that way, and it looks really cute. And I absolutely love the way that it came together. Again, putting a little bit more glue just to keep the flowers completely in place. I don't want things falling, but I want to make sure I can still take out that battery. So that's why I'm like adjusting and playing to make sure I could turn on or off the candle if I wanted to. But easy enough, pick up, set down, and it really just comes together so beautifully. It looks absolutely perfect sitting on top of our school cabinet, even with the lights off. It just reflects the colors beautifully. It goes along with the other decor that we have sitting there, and it just fills in that space so nicely. So I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration for something you can make in moments for your holiday season. You can even switch it out for different holidays. The idea of using ornaments as little mini vases, this could look cute in the spring and everything, especially with the iridescent color. Just remove the ball toppers altogether and then just line them up like so cute. Anyway, come and make along with us inside a She Makes Club. If you haven't been following along with our 100 Days of Grace and Gratitude, I have been posting a video every day, starting right after Thanksgiving, and we're going to go right into March. And while it's a lot of Bible art journaling and reflecting on God's Word and things that we're grateful for, it's a lot of fun, and I would love to invite you to be a part of it. But then we're still continuing everything inside She Makes Club, with making with our Cricuts, telling our stories, scrapbooking, all of those great things. So come join us. It's a penny a day for your first 100 days. Would love to have you there, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.